Welcome to Golden Age Goddess Guides, where we explore the captivating world of human sexuality. Today we'll dive into some fascinating facts that might surprise you, with a focus on the incredible experiences of women. Get ready to have your mind blown. Did you know that lesbians tend to experience more orgasms on average? It's true. And interestingly, around 70% of men admit to watching pornography, a widely accepted part of modern sexuality. Now here's something that might blow your mind. The average vagina measures just 3 to 4 inches long, but when sexually aroused, it can expand by an astonishing 200%. That's some impressive flexibility right there. Speaking of arousal, engaging in sexual activity can actually trigger the brain region associated with falling in love. Isn't that romantic? And by the age of 19, around 70% of American teenagers have already explored their sexuality. Contrary to popular belief, men have a G-spot too. And for those fellas out there, engaging in sexual activity at least twice a week may reduce your risk of heart disease. Who knew that pleasure could be so good for your health? On average, a man experiences 9 erections during the night. That's a lot of nocturnal action. And men who frequently perform cunnilingus, oral sex on a woman, are often considered more enthusiastic and aroused partners. Using lubrication can facilitate achieving orgasms for both men and women. And surprisingly, shaving the pubic area may increase the risk of spreading infections. So, it's essential to prioritize hygiene and safety in the bedroom. Sex isn't just about physical pleasure, it's also known to strengthen emotional bonds between partners. And for those who sleep on their stomachs, you might be more likely to have sex dreams. Talk about a steamy night's rest. The female orgasm acts as a potent painkiller, releasing feel-good endorphins that can alleviate discomfort. And did you know that men's sperm can travel over 38 inches vertically? That's some impressive upward mobility. Exploring intimate aspects together can enhance the overall sexiness of the experience, and scent is considered one of the biggest turn-ons for men. Wearing the color red has been shown to make women more attractive to men, and men generally prefer women with a low waist-to-hip ratio. Maintaining eye contact with a stranger for 4 minutes can lead to feelings of falling in love, and surprisingly, almost a third of men do not consider kissing as cheating. Orgasms can be more intense in hot weather conditions, and stress is recognized as a significant hindrance to sexual arousal. Approximately 67% of women prefer their partners to be clean-shaven, and fear of kissing is known as philophobia. Some women can reach climax through nipple stimulation alone, and sperm lives longer than eggs in women's bodies. The clitoris has twice the number of nerve endings as a penis, and women with predominantly male friends often report being in a good mood more frequently. Finally, a heightened sense of smell can enhance the overall experience of orgasm, adding another layer of sensory pleasure to the mix. Thanks for tuning in to Golden Age Goddess Guides, where we celebrate the wonders of human sexuality, especially for women. Embrace your desires, explore your pleasure, and never be afraid to indulge in the delightful mysteries of intimacy.